Hi, welcome to Hindware Tech. In this video, we will see how to add Hindware IoT product in Hindware Smart Appliances App. First, download and install Hindware Smart Appliances App from App Store or Play Store and register yourself. If you have already installed and registered Hindware Smart Appliances App, then just log in and click on Add Product icon. Once you clicked Add Product icon, then this product registration page will open, where you have to enter your product serial number and product name. Other product details will get fetched automatically. You can enter other available details like dealer name and invoice, etc., and then click on Register. Once you click on Register, then this pop-up will come for IoT connectivity options with two options: Set up IoT now or later. If your product is powered on and you are nearby, then choose Set up IoT now option and follow the instructions, else choose Set up IoT later option. Once you clicked on Later option, then app page will be redirected to My Dashboard page, where you can see your registered product icon. You have successfully added your product on app. Now, you need to do the IoT connectivity of your product in order to control it via app. To know more about IoT connectivity, please check out our IoT connectivity video. Thanks for watching this video.